All right, sticking with nature, it's the nature update. York Region closes road nightly to allow endangered salamanders to cross safely.
Huh.
Talk about this for environmental modification. They're shutting down, and this is
Which road?
local to you, yeah. So they're shutting down portions of Stouffville Road in Richmond Hill
Oh.
to allow the salamanders to cross safely. It's a yearly migration of the Jefferson salamander to get to their breeding ponds. It's an endangered species, apparently.
Oh.
And they like to go at night when the pavement is damp. And, look at how soft that guy is. If you're just driving through, they're all getting squashed.
Yeah.
So probably some people have been inconvenienced by this. But every single night, they're shutting down this section of road where they cross over.
And it's just one specific area.
Yes. The region reports that the road closures have allowed over 150 salamanders to cross safely and get on with their business of breeding. That's one of the salamanders.
Just waddling through the cement.
Yeah, they did a lot of studies on this. They're endangered.
Oh, okay. Well,
So they're trying to let them migrate, and I don't know. It's a little. We had two Canadian nature stories, one after the other, back to back, from the beavers to the salamanders.
shout out Canada nature.